eastern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over 6 Flags over Georgia, or 7 miles west of Atlanta, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Smyrna, East Point, 6 Flags over Georgia, Cascade Heights, Sandtown, and Mableton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA weather radio station KEC 80 has interrupted its normal weather programming. 634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. A severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Troup County in West Central. Highs in the mid-80s, 50 miles per hour wind, quarter-size hail. Source. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs. Locations impacted include LaGrange, Hillcrest, Ware's Crossroads, and Smith's Crossroad. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. A severe thunderstorm